Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your Mac operating system. So there are some third-party apps which are available which you can use to remove all the associated file with the particular app. So I'm going to show you one such option, which is the free option also. So what you can do is you can just go to your browser and search for AppCleaner. And the first link which will appear here will be from freemacsoft.net. So just click on freemacsoft.net option, and once I click on this option I can see this utility, and you can see here what this app cleaner does. So app cleaner is a small application which allows you to thoroughly uninstall unwanted apps. So to download this you just need to click on the topmost option under downloads. I'm going to click on this option which says version 3.5, and once this is downloaded I'm going to just click on this zip file. So it's going to download the zip file, so I'm going to just click on the zip file. So once you have extracted this zip file, what you need to do is you just need to move this app cleaner folder to your applications folder. So to do that you can press on the CMD button and then move it to the applications folder here. So you can see it's moved to the applications folder. Just drag or move this app cleaner option into your applications folder, and then you can open this app cleaner. So let's open this, and for the first time when this app opens, it's going to show you this warning which says app cleaner is the app downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Just click on open, and let me minimize this. So it's going to look like this. So now let's say I want to remove some applications. So I'm going to go to the applications folder and I'm going to find out which application I want to remove. Now let's say I want to remove this Mounty app once again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just press on command and then select this Mounty icon app, and then I'm going to move this icon to this app cleaner app which I have opened, this app cleaner app. So now it's going to show me all the files which are associated with this app. So you can see there is this file which is associated with this Mounty app, which I can also remove. So some of the apps store their data in some different location other than your applications folder. This app cleaner is going to allow you to view all the associated file with that app. So you can see I can now see the associated files, so I can select this and then click on remove, which is going to remove this app with associated files to the trash, which means this app is now completely deleted, right? So let me show you one more time how you can use it. Just select the app which you want to remove and then press command and then move this app icon to this app cleaner utility, and then now you can see so many files which are associated with this open office app. So normally when you want to do this by just dragging this app icon to the trash, you will not delete this file because it's in library application support open office, and you can see it's around 27.4 megabyte file. So you might not be able to delete it by just dragging this icon to the trash. So use this app cleaner utility which is going to show you all the associated file which are, you can see all these files are in different folder other than your applications folder, right? So it's going to allow you to delete all those files. So in that way you can uninstall apps in your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.